Did you know that 75% of businesses struggle to integrate AI into their workflows due to data limitations? But what if you could create a custom AI model tailored to your specific needs, utilizing your own data? By the end of this video, you'll learn the free methods to train a custom AI on your own data, saving you time and boosting your business's efficiency. With advancements in AI, it's now possible to train models using your own data without breaking the bank. This is a game changer for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and even large corporations. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on 3 free methods to train a custom AI on your data. Let's dive in with the first method, Google Cloud AI Platform. Google Cloud offers a free tier for AI platform, allowing you to train and deploy custom AI models. To get started, navigate to the Google Cloud console and create a new project. Click on the navigation menu and select AI Platform.